Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my channel. We're going to make an amazing cowleg pepper soup. This is very unique, sisters. Stay with me. So I started by boiling the cow leg first and throwing away the water after washing, of course. Then I go in with my ginger and garlic from Safmanak, then the pepper soup spice as well, salt and little seasoning. Then I went ahead to add more water because we all know how tough cow leg can be. After that, I stir to combine everything together. Then I covered my pot. Before then, I put some little spoons so that it will soften the cow leg earlier, like it will be faster. Alongside on the other burner, I've already put some pepper, onions, tomatoes, garlic and ginger to cook it, like to more like fry it with little oil until it is dry. You can see there on the screen. After the water is dried up, I went ahead to blend this. This is like the best twist for pepper soup, guys. It's going to be creamy, it's going to be thick, and it's going to be so delicious. In fact, the aroma and taste is always embedded into the bones. In fact, this is the best cow leg pepper soup I've ever made in my entire life. So I went ahead to blend it until a smooth paste was gotten. So this is what it will be like after blending. You can see I didn't add any water because everything is soft already. Then I opened my pepper soup, which was already cooking, and I added it. I used the water from the pepper soup to rinse off the blender because at this point I really don't want to add more water to the pepper soup. I want the taste to be very tasty, I mean. So this is my parsley. I don't like this stalk of the parsley, so I'm going to remove it. This is for garnishing with my little pepper to make it more spicy. So I go ahead to use my grater to grate the parsley and the pepper together, which I keep until when the cow leg is done. It's still cooking at this point, but after some 10 minutes the cow leg is finally soft. I don't like my cow leg soggy, reason why I don't really see the need for a this temperature pot, because I don't like it very soft. I like it when I can bite it with my teeth. So I went ahead to add this parsley and pepper mix, and I stirred and allow it to cook for like 5 minutes before bringing it down. Wow, this is it, guys. This is your best cow leg pepper soup. Please try it and feed me back. Thank you so much for watching. You can enjoy this with rice or al-kubus as I did mine. Have a nice day. Bye.